Welcome to GTC!
AI has moved from experimental to essential. No question, this is the place to be if you want to know where artificial intelligence is headed.
Hey, I'm Toy Jensen, ready to help this GTC.
We're advancing AI, we're building a new industry, we're revolutionizing one application after another, one industry after another. Every application will be powered by AI, every country will build it, every company will use it. Accelerated computing allows us to take these giant leaps forward. Together, we're able to reach the world.
AI isn't just a feature of the global economy, it's the engine.
Olaf, how are you? We are completely resetting and starting the largest build-out of human history. This is absolutely a new computing platform shift.
We've reached this point in AI called the inflection of inference.
NemoClaw. You said NemoClaw. This may be even bigger. I start my morning with NemoClaw.
I believe that computing demand has increased by 1 million times in the last 2 years. This is the beginning of something very, very big.